In this video, we have been given a quarter circle in which AO is 2, angle ACO is 30 degrees. Then we have to find shaded area. So, in triangle AOC, it is AOC, this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees. So this angle, it will be 60 degrees. This angle, it is 60 degrees. And suppose this point is P, and if we join OP, then OA, it will be equal to OP, that will be radius. So OA, it is equal to OP, and now in triangle OAP, it is OAP, we have OA is equal to OP, that means these two angles, they will be equal, and this angle is 60 degrees, so this angle, it will be also 60 degrees. This angle, it will be 60 degrees. And now in triangle OPC, it is OPC, this angle is 60 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees. So this angle, it will be 60 degrees minus 30 degrees, that will be 30 degrees, it is 30 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees, and now these two angles are equal, that means OP, it will be equal to CP. So OP, it is equal to CP, and now from point P, if we make a perpendicular on OC, suppose this point is Q, then triangle OPQ, it will be congruent to triangle CPQ, because we have OP is equal to CP, and angle POQ is equal to angle PCQ, that is 30 degrees, and angle PQO is equal to angle PQC, that is 90 degrees. So area of OPQ, it will be equal to area of CPQ, and suppose this area is Y and this area is X. then area of CPQ, it is x plus y. So area of OPQ, it will be x plus y. This area is x plus y. And now from point O, if we make a perpendicular on AP and extend it, suppose this point is M and this point is N, then this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, that will be 30 degrees, and this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, that will be 30 degrees. And in any circle, if O is the center and suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, and this point is D, and if angle AOB is equal to angle COD, then area of sector AOB, it will be equal to area of sector COD. And we have angle AON is equal to angle NOP is equal to angle POB, that is 30 degrees. So area of sector AON, it will be equal to area of sector NOP, it will be equal to area of sector POB. And also triangle AOM, it is congruent to triangle MOP, it is congruent to triangle POQ. That means area of AOM, it will be equal to area of MOP, it will be equal to area of POQ. And suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, then equation 1 minus equation 2, it will be area of sector AON minus area of AOM is equal to area of sector NOP minus area of MOP. It will be equal to area of sector POB minus area of POQ, and area of sector AON minus area of AOM, it will be area of AMN, it is equal to, and this will be area of PMN, it is equal to, and this will be area of PQB, and we have area of PQB is x. So this area is also x and this area is also x. And now shaded area, it is x plus y, it is x plus y, that will be 2x plus y, and area of sector POB, it is x plus y plus x, it is x plus y plus x, that will be 2x plus y. So from these two equations we can say that shaded area, it is equal to area of sector POB, and it will be pi times radius is 2 a square times angle is 30 degrees over 360 degrees, and it is pi times 4 times 1 over 12, and 4 times 3 is 12, so it will be pi over 3. So it is pi over 3.